So the main charging source is going to be this little MPPT charge controller. So let's hook it up, see what happens on this cloudy winter day. So 500 watts, 100 watts per panel, and they're all wired in series, which means it's like batteries in a flashlight. The positive goes to the negative on each battery, and instead of 1.5 volts per battery, you add them together. So these are about 22 volts each. First thing to do here, and this is not approved wiring yet, I'm just wiring this together to see what happens. No fuses or proper wires except for these that you buy in a kit. They've got the MC4 connectors. It's 20 feet of wire. I'm hoping to have a lot of extra wire up on top of the camper so I can put all these panels on a board and actually take the board off the roof if I want to set it off to the side of the camper, or just to pivot the panel towards the sun for better energy production. But anyway, the first thing you got to do is hook up this to your battery, and unfortunately, to make this work with a lithium battery, you're supposed to have the little remote controller on it for this that you can set the settings for lithium. But for right now, the battery's nearly charged, but I'm just going to see if I can top it off with a little solar power. So we got to hook it up to here. So let's try it. So here we are, hooked up to the charge controller. You can see it says, got a little moon, means no solar input. Battery's at 13.2 volts, no draw on it, no load. And so when I hook up these solar panels, we should be seeing something come in. Let's see what happens. So, got one end of the wires hooked up to the positive, and one end hooked up to the negative. So you can see, basically we've got one long circuit goes across all the panels, and then back to the charge controller. So it's saying we're not getting anything at the moment, but it did say we were. Oh, there it goes. Says we're getting a little juice. Not much. No load. So if we look, it says we're getting, so if we go to the PV, it says we're getting 86 volts, which isn't much. 57 volts. No amps, effectively. And cloudy day. You can see it's winter, it's late afternoon, and it's cloudy. So, not expecting much. Oh, it's not very much sun out here today. It does keep coming on. Let's see what it says there. 90 volts, no amps. Not much sun. Should probably aim it over here further. Let's see if that helps. There we go. Gets a little 0.2 amps. That's not bad. Make sure my wires aren't getting too hot. They're not. There's hardly any juice. There you go. 29 volts, 0.2 amps, nothing. So yeah, it's kind of too cloudy for this right now. Even if the panels are pointed right. I don't even know where the sun is. Probably behind that tree somewhere. But not much coming in. 0.4 amps. That's pretty good. Keeps telling me it's no input. So that's about all there is to that. Not a very good day to test solar panels. But I thought I'd let you see what I got going. Got a couple other components. There's a lot of stuff involved. I haven't gotten my wires and fuses and all that quite yet, but should be coming soon, and I'll let you know when all that's here and I get started putting it all together. Hopefully gonna have a little DC refrigerator out here in the barn I can use as a test case. See if I can keep that running, how much power it draws, all that. But we shall see. That's all for now.